Now this figure 18-42 is illustrating when a motor is, say, 8 horsepower or less, the disconnect in the service equipment or sub panel could be used to disconnect this motor. You know, maybe like a clock on a wall becomes under this rule. It's the disconnect for it basically is the overcurrent device and the panel board. Now, that's what the call out is telling you. The overcurrent protection device used as a disconnecting means or circuit breaker or fuse could be used for this purpose. Now the NEC loop gives the location of the disconnect in 430.102. The operation that you have to disconnect all the hot conductors, L1, L2, or L3, whatever you have, is 430.103. And you can see that breaker in the panel board disconnects that hot conductor, see? And then the on and off requirement is 430.104. The readily accessible location is 430.107. And the type is 430.109. Sizing is 430.110. Now the type 430.109 is horsepower rating, but 430.110 deals with making sure that the disconnecting means has the capability of load break characteristics that would disconnect the motor under load or a lock rotor condition and those type of conditions that may be present under certain conditions of use.